Welcome back to my channel. So today is a package from Magical Mixery Store on Etsy. Some fun new goodies. One of my lights went out. It's probably looking all dark over here. But I see some trims, some knickknacks and sequins. These look like some pom-poms. Okay, this first little baggie, look how cute. So she's had, I think, like blue and pink ones of these before, but these are yellow, pink, and teal. Look how fun these are. The little furry pom-pom, but they're charms. They already have the little jump ring thingy on there. So cute. These are tassels in the same exact color scheme, but with white ones as well. You can never have enough tassels, and they're just so perfect to add with your dangles, like in combination with them. She's got some super cute, I love bows when they are pre-made, just because they're easy, just pop them on your project. So these are a like silky one with like the gold outline. So cute. So I saw that these like little guys are unicorns, and then these colors, I'm getting very like whimsical, magical vibes, summer vibes from this package. So we got this cute little shell. It has a sequin mix. Okay, so inside the I can't say that. Seashell, she has a super cute pastel mix, and I love the little white like matte like mermaid tail in there. Such a cute touch with the little shells as well. Stars, iridescent purple, gorgeous mix. Next we have some little cabochons, flat back cabochons in little gorgeous glittered mermaid tails. We have pink, purple, blue, gold one, and then like a clear white one. Super cute. Next baggie, we have some sequin mixes. So this one is Beach Days. It's got the little seashell on there and the golds with the stars on this one, versus that one was like pink and purples. Super pretty. This one, Starlight. This one goes perfect, like magical rainbow ones. It's got cute little stars, gold, clear. I love the glitter. And then we have this one, Sea Pearls. Oh my gosh, I love the touch of those pearl sea beads in there. They literally look like just a little pearl mix. So cute. And the seashells on this one are a glittered gold. Gorgeous. We have this one, Maggie's Bouquet. So cute. I love the little black and white striped ones. She's got little white flowers in there with the pastel teal, yellow, and pink with just a little pop of gold. This one is Pinky Promises. It's got all of the pinks in here, but it has cute little butterflies. And look at this big, as you can see right here. It's this pink one right here. It's like shaped like a flower. I think that's supposed to be a flower. Yeah. Ooh, very cute. Okay, and then we have this one, Ocean Tide, and it's got all your blue hues, whites, these little confetti style sequins in there, the hollow stars. Next is this one, Sea Party, and it's got the bigger little white shell, and it's got cute little stars and hearts in green, yellow, pink. Fun. All the fun colors in that one. Then we have this one, Diving Dolphins. How cute is that? It's got cute, obviously a little diving dolphin. And she's got cute little yellow and pink seashells on this one with the stars. Okay, and then what's this one? Daisies Forever. She's got two little flowers in there. This one's kind of like a bluish green one. And then she's got the yellow one right there. She's got cute little white polymer clay butterflies in there too. Ooh, super fun for summer and spring. Then we got this one. Oh, how cute. Look at the little polymer clays, strawberries, and then these little, like, I don't know what those are. They're like little star flowery sequins. Super cute. And then the sparkly glittered pink ones. We've got these little, are these all? Oh, no. So these guys, obviously there's a gold one, and then I will show you the pink one. Cute little unicorns. And if you were doing like the Maggie Holmes, I think it's, what's it called? Whimsical something, or I don't remember which one it is. But if you just needed to do the horse, you could easily just get your scissors and snip off the unicorn. And you can use that for that Maggie Holmes collection. Super cute. So gold, and then the pink version as well. And we've got these little puppies. I don't know what these are considered. They're not appliques. They're just like little puffy things. But these are butterflies, and they come in all the colors. Yellow, teals, green, purple, pink, white. Super cute. Next, we have the trims. Look how fun these are. Furry faux fur of like a eyelash trim, almost like a purpley color. This one is a fun, fuzzy little like teal or aqua, more of an aqua. And this one is a fun, like an eyelash trim or unicorn eyelashes. It's got all the rainbow like ombre colors going on this pink soft strand. Super cute. Ooh, these are fun. So magical. They're like the little, kind of like a scrubby eyelash, but definitely longer than the scrubby ones. So cute. In an iridescent pink, purple, mint, and a blue. Look how gorgeous those are. Look at this bright yellow. So it's definitely like a faux fur, and then it's got the long little squiggly eyelash hairs coming out of it. So like 2 different lengths. So you got the yellow, the black, and then the pink, I think is a true eyelash. Yes, it is. It's like a fuchsia pink eyelash trim. And then this one, super cute again, rainbow ombre. So it's got like fuchsia, purple, some teal and yellow in there. I love these little fun shaped ones. I just got a blue version of this. So this one is a, ooh, this is a really long, it's probably about 1 inch long, the eyelash in blue. And then the white, let's see, I think this might be a faux fur like this guy. Yes, it is. So it's like a fur with some long eyelash. And then this one is the fun little squares in ombre, like blue to baby blue to white. Super, super pretty. Thank you so much, Sarah, for this bundle of joy. It just happens to be a fun, colorful, magical. Get rid of those winter blues, you guys, with all this fun color. I will link categories down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.